Can I just tell people something?
Sure.
Into mawuthwele ngayo, you can't see it with your naked eye. Even ngithwele ngenyonga, you can't see it. I can see it. It's mine.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So after the recent episode of Gogo Maweni's reality show called Tokoza Gogo, where she claimed to have inserted a snake into this slay queen Spunani, you guys. Now, I as Gogo Maweni's follower, I knew for a fact that she has lied about that part, you guys, especially after seeing what she has allegedly done on national TV, you guys. Guys, whatever happens spiritually cannot and will never be seen with a physical eye. So she too, Gogo Maweni, told us that on her old interview on Podcast and Chill with McGee and Usul Penduga, when she uttered the words out of her own mouth, when she said that whatever a person Atwelengayo will never be seen by the public or any other person, that the person who owns the snake or the animal that they have toilet with. Now today, 3 to 4 years later, I think, after her most viewed interview there on YouTube with McG, Gogo Maweni rather goes there on her reality TV show and lies for views. You guys, I'm not gonna say anything because you have seen what I have put at the beginning of this video. Anyways, you guys, please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Do make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. I will definitely see you on the next one. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I truly appreciate it. Bye.